All right, so we're finishing up U. So U has the coordinate of 3, -4. So that -4 becomes the first one, but remember we changed the sign, so it now becomes a +4, and this 3 becomes our y coordinate, and that becomes a -3. Okay, so that's going to be 4, -3. Okay, so we look over 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 3. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 right there. So that is going to be U prime. So we just have to connect the dots. I'm going to erase that T prime there. Give it the label up here, T prime. There we go. Connect the dots. Boom. It worked out for us. It looks like, it looks like it's a reflection. It really does. So, moving on to number 11. For number 11, we have that rule, okay? So for this, I'm just going to go through with you. So if we start with A is at -1, 3. Well, all that happens is it goes to, we move this 3 to the first spot. It becomes negative. 1 goes to the second spot, and that becomes positive. So now A is -3, 1. All right, so B is 0, 6. So that 6 goes to the first spot there, and that becomes negative. 0, remember, 0 is neither positive or negative, okay? So that just stays at 0. So for B, it's going to be -6, 0. All right. So C, for C, it's 3, 5. So when we translate, or when we reflect it, it's going to become a -5, -3. Changing the sign, swapping the order, okay? And the last one is going to be D. D is 2, 2. So when we change it up here and reflect it, it's going to be -2, -2. All right? So putting those coordinates down here, it's going to be -5, -3, -2, -2. All right? So, guys, that is it for reflection. All right? So if it's a horizontal, vertical line, just count, makes it simple. If it's not, if it's a diagonal line, use the rules that we had, okay? So for y equals x, remember you swap the values. For y equals -x, you swap the values and change the sign. So that's it. If you guys have any more questions, send me an email or join one of the Zoom sessions or request a Zoom session. So, all right, guys, I hope you have a good